In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your browsing history in Mozilla Firefox, which is super useful if you want to protect your privacy, free up some space, or if you want to start fresh. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open your Firefox and then go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, or also called the menu button. Scroll down until you find the settings, and on the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the privacy and security. Now hover down where you can find the cookies and site data section, and then there is going to be an arrow here and I want you to click on it. Now for you to be able to delete the history of your Firefox activities, all you have to do is click the check button here. Okay, and you have the ability to select the duration. Is it going to be like last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, or everything? Once you're ready, click the clear button. And that's it. Your browsing history has been deleted. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.